Hello again folks, today is just a quick one, and that is because I've just received this little mini package today, and I do believe I know what it is because I did get a lovely message from the Fighting Lockpicker. I don't have a sticker to hand. That's Paul, isn't it? Just hang on a second. Right, back again, just in case I'm right. So let us see if we can carefully snip this open, because if I'm right, this will be awesome. It feels like what he says it was, if it is indeed him. Poker chips. Poker chips, boys and girls. Here we go. There. Right. So, some stickers. And I've got some extras. So, they will be cut up and divided. And he's sent me a few poker chips. These are prototypes. He did say he was going to be doing some more. So these are from our good friend, the Fighting Lockpicker. He was very, very kind enough to send me his hat. This awesome hat. So, that's not part of any giveaway. But he has sent me a few of these. So, there will be one going in here. And there will be one going here. And there will be some stickers going here. And some stickers going here. And then there'll be some more for future giveaways. Actually, speaking of that, there is already another one going on. So don't forget this. All you have to do is comment on the video where I pick this out of a packet and type in "I feel lucky." Open to anyone. Subscribers appreciated. And you guys will also get a poker chip, some stickers. So that's it for now, folks. Thanks ever so much to Danny, the Fighting Lockpicker. Good friend, excellent picker. Go and check out his channel. I'll leave a link down below. And don't forget to take part in Both Hands 800. Or indeed, I feel lucky. So, yeah, that's it for now, folks. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.